As a secondary option for utilizing our service department during these unsure times, we offer our pickup service. When booking your appointment, asking for our pickup service will allow you to stay within the comfort of your own home or at work while we pick up your vehicle and deliver when complete. Our staff will call you and advise when they are en route. On arrival and delivery, we will ensure all disinfecting protocols are in place at all times, such as disinfecting keys and touch points of the vehicle and installing protective covers and mats. Our staff will call for payment and make drop-off arrangements prior to leaving our dealership. Once your vehicle is delivered, keys and touch points will be sanitized again and coverings removed. If you have any questions or would like to book your service today, please contact our friendly staff. We appreciate you, our customer, and look forward to seeing you again.